Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through how to enable MMS on Android so you can send and receive photos and videos without any issues. This process ensures your messaging app is configured correctly for multimedia content. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Messages app on your Android phone, which is the default hub for all your text-based communication. This is where you manage your conversations and access the internal controls needed to adjust how your device handles media files. Step 2 involves you needing to tap on the 3 dots or your profile icon located at the top of the screen to open the menu. This icon acts as the gateway to your personal account settings and app-specific preferences that are not immediately visible on the main chat list. Step 3 is to select Messages settings from the drop-down list to enter the configuration panel of your texting application. This area is vital because it allows you to customize how your phone interacts with your service provider for various types of messaging. Step 4 is to scroll down and tap on Advanced, but if you do not see that option, simply click on your specific SIM card name instead. These sub-settings are important for accessing deeper network configurations that dictate how multimedia is processed on your particular carrier. Step 5 is to turn on the auto download MMS toggle so that your phone can instantly retrieve incoming pictures and group messages. By enabling this feature, you ensure that media files load automatically in your chat threads rather than requiring a manual click every time. Step 6 is to swipe down your notification shade and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled, or check that your mobile data is active to provide a connection. Having a stable data path is essential for MMS because these messages require a network handshake that basic cellular signals cannot provide alone. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.